Some of our leaders still like data, and the more we can tell about the story of the data is helpful. One of those data points is the time that our subject matter experts are using to create training. They have day jobs, especially those IT professionals. They have day jobs, and so the time they're spending creating training that I can't do, I don't know how the software works and what the important pieces are. In 2023, we asked subject matter experts to spend 40 hours to create a 1 hour course. And that was quite a lot. And then when they gave it to our team, we'd put in another 8 hours of polishing, 48 hours to create a 1 hour course. And it doesn't all happen in 1 week, right? It's probably over the course of 3 weeks. But in 2024, after we train a subject matter expert to use an authoring tool like iorad, then they can take 8 hours and they create 4 short videos, 4 short tutorials. They have the learning and development team maybe put it in 1 hour polishing their 4 videos. And then we have really engaging content for the end learner. And it has been really fun to describe the return on investment for time of our subject matter experts, because it means we can implement faster. We can go to market faster. That has a significant impact.